Hey, let's talk for a second about how a real estate agent can get out of debt. If you've been selling real estate for quite a while, I'm sure you know all of the ups and downs that you can have as an agent, good months followed by bad months. That roller coaster of income can sometimes let your debt numbers creep up a little bit. You get credit card balances, you start to get, even if you've got mortgage balances, car balances, that type of thing, it can be too much to handle sometimes. I'm actually in San Diego right now. I'm going to show you this view in just a second. I'm in San Diego today as we're going to be doing a luxury listing presentation. I work with an awful lot of agents that want to break into that luxury real estate market, and sometimes I even help them out with it. I flew all the way across the country from the East Coast all the way to San Diego. I'm staying in an awesome luxury hotel. I'll show you the view here in just a second over the water. But anyway, moral of the story here, the best way for you to get out of debt is stop selling to people that don't have money and don't have equity. When you're choosing the buyers and sellers you're working with, your market is not anybody that's willing to buy or sell. Your market should be people that are middle of the road and higher, that median price range, and more importantly, that higher price range. Luxury or affluent clients not only have the money to pay, they prefer premium. They prefer buying the expensive stuff. They prefer going with the best options, the superior options you have. If you've seen some of our videos where we've shown, the menu of services that you can take 5, 6, or 7% commission, you can take 6, 7.5%, whatever you're doing, the gold, diamond, and platinum options. What you'll find is a lot of times these affluent customers are going to take the higher end. And I want you to think about this. If you just double your average sales price, if you can get some consistent luxury transactions, you're going to be able to pay off your debt a heck of a lot faster because you make more money with each closing that happens. As an example, this deal that we're looking at today, total, it's probably going to be about $320,000 in commission. Now that's if we get both sides. Sometimes you only get one side, of course. But $320,000 in commission. Yeah, I'll fly out to San Diego. I'll enjoy this amazing view. I'll show you this in just a second. I'll enjoy this for a day and help with the listing presentation. I work with a lot of agents with a program we have called Premier Luxury Marketing Consultants. If you are looking to break into the luxury market, even if you have no experience in it at all, I would encourage you to start thinking about raising up to that higher price range. How do we start working with the more affluent clients? I'm doing a webinar on Thursday. You can get some details on that at wealthyagentblueprint.com. I'll put it in the description here as well. But again, wealthyagentblueprint.com. That's specifically for those looking to break into the luxury market. If you're looking to become wealthy, if you're looking to get higher end transactions and be able to enjoy the finer things, to fly first class or private flight, to stay in the nicest hotels and just live a better quality of life for yourself. Even if you're staying at home and you want to provide better for your family members, the best way to do that is to raise your average price range. If you look at the kind of lifestyle that the luxury agents are living in your marketplace, that's a sign. That's something you want to think about. Let me show you this view here. I'm actually at the Marriott Marquis, which is in San Diego, and it might be too bright to even see. We'll see. I've got the big balcony out here, but you can probably see the bay and the marina. Gorgeous view here in the tower. But anyway, if you're looking to break into that luxury real estate market, I'm recording this on a weekend. Hence the casual t-shirt and just chilling before we go to our big event here, our big meeting here. But again, I want you to think about breaking into that luxury market. The best way for you to do so, go to wealthyagentblueprint.com. Get registered for Thursday's training. I'm going to show you some case studies. Here's how we attract these guys. Even if you have no experience working with higher end clients, you're afraid, what if they say, I want to work with Dan because Dan sells everything that's luxury in this market. I'm going to show you how to beat them. I'm going to show you everything that we've done to assist agents in breaking into that luxury market. Make it a profitable weekend for yourself. Go out there and sell some houses, and hopefully I'll see you on Thursday's training. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You gotta subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you gotta ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.